In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a Latin tech house drop like this. Including these elements. Let's start off with a vocal. Let's pick one from the underground tech house pack.
Get lost, turn around.
It's linked down below.
Nos sentamos a la mesa con un whisky en la mano en un club donde la mujer baila con
Let's use this one. Drop it in. Right now the vocal is in A sharp minor, but I want to have it a few tones lower to fit the bass more. Something like this. Now we're gonna mix it.
Nos sentamos a la mesa con un whisky en la mano. Nos sentamos a la mesa con un whisky en la mano. Nos sentamos a la mesa con un whisky en la mano en un club. Nos sentamos a la mesa con un whisky en la mano.
Besides that, we're gonna chop it up to using a drop.
Nos sentamos a la mesa con un whisky en la mano en un club donde la.
So let's cut out the palo phrase 2 times.
Palo, palo.
Like this. And then drop in the last phrase of the vocal. So together the vocal chops sound like this.
Palo, 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 palo.
That's it for the vocal. Now we're gonna dive in the kick and the bass. So first pick a kick from that pack. I really want a big bass, so let's use a short kick like this one. So I added in a new Serum. Then pick a preset from the pack. Let's use this sine preset. So as I said, a long bass. Swing it with an octave. And then walk down the scale to a G sharp. Sounds a bit weird right now, but together with the mixing and the kick, it will sound pretty dope. So let's mix it. Witches though, but we're gonna spice it up with some steps. So first I dropped in this preset. Right here. Then this preset from the pack. Step sound. Making a rhythm with it. And this wobble sound to finish it off. So altogether the basses sound like this. We got a dope foundation ready, but now we're gonna dive into the key parts of the Latin tech house track, the drums and percussion. So we're gonna start off with the basic drums, with this clap and head, giving this basic drum loop. Then we're gonna spice it up with the tribal loops from the pack. So open up the drum loops and go to Latin tribal. Let's use this groove. And then just one more. Yeah, that's dope. It's really minimal. So then we're gonna mix them. Just get rid of the low ends. And a sidechain. Sounding like this. Then we're gonna use a little trick to bring out the transients some more. I added this stop loop from the pack, which is just a basic drum loop. But then we're gonna compress it heavily. Like this, really crush it. And lower down the volume quite a bit. So right now we created a parallel compression drum loop. Sounding like this. Then we're gonna stack it some more. Let's use this rim shot. Like this. And completely mess it up with the mixing. Removing the lows. A lot of OTT. Bring out the transients. loads of reverb and delay, and of course a sidechain. So then, spice it up some more. Go to Splice and find ourselves some perk fills, like this one, and this one. Sounds a bit random right now, but we're gonna drop it in and really mess it up with the mixing again. So I dropped it in FL Studio and fitted it to the tempo. Erase it like this. Which is still a bit random, but I routed it out to the same mixer channel. First, some distortion. Really makes a difference already. Then a lot of reverb. Again, really dope. Clean it up in the low ends. Delay. And a sidechain. So together the Latin drums sound like this. So we covered all the elements of the Latin tech house drop. I think it turned out really dope. We stacked some really cool percussion sounds, mixed it really well together. So if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.
Nos sentamos a la mesa con un whisky en la mano en un club donde las mujeres bailan con un palo, baila con un palo, baila con un palo. Toca mis hermanos.